Hey everybody, what's going on? Today we are going to be starting a 250-foot curtain drain project. It's going to span most of the backyard and go out behind the garage where it's going to daylight. Brian just dropped off all the SDR35 and the couplings and glue, and we'll be getting started shortly. You'll see the 3 precast piers we installed on Friday. Didn't video the process, mostly because I forgot. So yeah. Anyway, drain is going straight towards the excavator. It's going to bang a right behind the garage and daylight out into the tall grass. So we're going to be going about a foot deep, a little bit more in a couple spots just due to the elevation changes. And yeah, so let's get started. All greased and fueled. Let's go see what we can hit. So basically what I'm doing right now is scraping out the sod that's going to be underneath the addition to the home. Just trying to level out the grade a little bit before they start building. The area around the piers will be about 2 inches deep of stone with a bit of an angle to make any water go towards the new drain that ends up being around those piers. So you're just seeing me change the grade a little bit as I start to blend things before I switch buckets and cut my trench all the way down through. So 99% of this is going to be covered in topsoil. The only exposed stone is going to be pretty much beneath the addition, and that's how the customer wants it. So that's what we'll do. Here you can see the subs truck's a little stuck, so we're going to come over and help him real quick before we load him up and send him out with some fill. perfect time for that 16-inch Rocklin bucket of mine that I ordered to show up. Sure would cut down on the amount of stone needed for this project. Hint, hint, Scott. And of course, right at the end of the day, we encountered a bunch of ledge right next to the garage, so customer didn't want to hammer it, so we just went around it. So it added a couple more angles, a couple more couplings, but not a big deal. So, got it all daylighted here. We'll put the pipe in tomorrow morning and get this thing wrapped up.